everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today doing something a little bit different. We're going to be painting my dad's 85 Chevy truck right there. We're going to be painting in a blue color where he's got all the sanding and everything done. So we'll be doing that today. I am not a professional painter. If you want to see a professional painter, go watch Robbie Layton on his channel. This is just something we like to do every once in a while. So I showed you my boy's truck, painted that one. It turned out good, so we're going to try this and we'll take you along for the ride. Here we go. Damn. That makes a lot. I'll probably just keep it stirring a little bit while and go.
Give it character. This half of the hood is quite a bit wider than the other half.
I thinned it out quite a bit.
Do you think have enough for the first coat?
I think so.
Okay. If you stand back here in the door, you can see them.
All right, guys. Ooh, just got done painting. I got blue in my beard. A lot. Oh, here it is, the finished product. Put on 3 coats. And I think it turned out pretty freaking good. So that's it for this one. On to the next one.
I'm not sure. I've been thinking about doing this transition. I don't know. One of these days, let's see one of these days out the road pretty damn.
All right, guys, welcome back. Another day. I've got Dad's truck all painted and he's been working on it, so I'm gonna kind of show you the finished product. Still running because the battery's dead, but so he's got new bumper, chrome pieces all the way around. Got all the chrome on here. New window chrome and rubbers, front and back. So a little dusty, that's okay. So looking running pretty good. He's gonna get new tires for it. He wants something that's pretty wide. He repainted the rims on it. Looks pretty good. So it's got a little bit of orange peel to it, but we're gonna fix that later. He's plumb happy with it. Me as the guy who painted it's not really happy with it. I want it better than that, but so anyway, we'll fix it out. So anyway, that's it for this one, guys. I want to say thanks to all the subscribers. We're up to 81 now, I think, so climbing right up there. Really appreciate it. That's going to be it for this one. We'll catch you all next time. Peace.